Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Holly. I hope everyone's doing well today. Today I'm sharing with you another Pioneer Woman recipe. This one is a one-pan creamy Italian sausage pasta. Very easy to make. All you need is a bag of rotini, 1 pound. You need 28 ounces of tomato puree. I could not get the big can, so I had to get 3 of these, and they're about a little over 10 ounces. Also, chicken broth, and the recipe called for less sodium, which is what I usually use anyway. So you need 4 cups of chicken broth, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese shredded, 1 medium onion chopped, and the recipe called for 1/4 of a cup of mascarpone cheese, or you can use cream cheese. And I'm using cream cheese because mascarpone cheese was $7 for just a small container. So I opted for the cream cheese, which I already had. 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of dried oregano, half a teaspoon of fennel seeds, a pinch of pepper flakes, and salt and pepper to taste. And I'm using some coarse sea salt. Also, sweet Italian sausage. You need 1 pound, and you want to take the sausage out of the casing. And that will make it easier to break this up into little pieces as you cook it. So the first thing you will do is add the oil to a hot pan. You want to make sure this oil is hot. Then after you've removed the casing from the sausage, then just add that to the pan, and you will just break this up into small little pieces. Brown it somewhat halfway through, and then I add the onions to it, and you will cook the onions until the onions become translucent and the sausage becomes completely cooked. Now add the seasoning, and you want to make sure that you mix this in really well. Add in the garlic and make sure that you mix that in really well. Add the chicken broth, and then once you've added that, then you will add the tomato puree. And then add the tomato paste. Now just stir that tomato mixture into the chicken broth, and you want to just mix it in really well. Then the next thing you will do is add the 1 pound of pasta, and then you want to stir that in well. Make sure it's all coated, and then you will cook this for about 15 to 20 minutes. You can cover it if you want. Just make sure it's simmering. And before all of the liquid evaporates, so before this is cooked completely, I take a little bit of the sauce and add it to the cream cheese, just so that way it melts a little bit easier. And then I will add it back into the pan. And at this point, the pan is off, so just mix that in. And then once you've got all of that fully incorporated, and you can see that it dissolves into that sauce, then add the mozzarella cheese on top, and you want to mix that in as well, and you want to make sure that it's completely melted. And this is it. That's basically all it takes to make this meal, and it's a great one-pan meal. Don't have to worry about doing the pasta in another pot, but it's quick, easy, flavorful. And so far, the Pioneer Woman recipes I have tried, and I've been trying them for years, I have not been disappointed. And this is what it looks like when it's done. If you have basil leaves, you can tear that up and put that on top, along with some shredded Parmesan cheese. And I did not have any fresh basil leaves, so I just put some parsley on top. But you could serve this with a vegetable if you want, or some garlic bread. That would be great as well. But I hope that you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in seeing more videos like it, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell. That will notify you when I post new videos. I hope everyone has a blessed day. God bless y'all.